All right. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Today was not an easy day to navigate if you are a rather new to trading trader. We had some pretty tricky narrow range movement until we broke structure, and then the second they got everybody comfortable selling into a trend, we had a very clean line break that sent the sellers running. You can see it here. All right, so we nailed this thing perfectly. We were looking for shorts. Okay, there was a short here. Okay, there was a short here. There was a short here. Okay, and then the targets were hit, and then we get these big green bars that say nope, no more shorts. Okay, so then the long was right here. So let's go over the last trade. Now here's the cool thing. I called exactly what was going to happen, even on the tape. We went long at 77. Okay, stop was 71.75. So your first target was 82.25. What I said was 82.25 was going to create a finished or completed business action on the tape, meaning the bid and the offer were both going to trade before it traded higher on the offer. All right, now you can see that the pent up demand is starting to increase here. Right, so this was the perfect trade. You wait for the 8 and price to cross through the 20 at the same time, and then you wait for the 20 to turn green. You take the next draw on liquidity. On this occasion, this pinprick here that we call a draw on liquidity was an internal draw on liquidity. Internal draw on liquidity. You could say external here, but I would say it's internal because it's still engulfing this candle. This candle is still engulfing the tail bar here. Okay, so perfect. That's going to do it for me. All eyes on tech, if you ask me, right? There's so much going on in the tech world that there are stocks that are hitting it out of the park. For example, IBM, Tesla, but Tesla went red, right? Let's take a look at that. How did it hold? Let's see how it held. Okay, so the close of yesterday was 89, okay? And so now we're back at 98. All right, so we were below 89. The market was starting to look lower, right? So if we go into let's just go to the 15-minute chart of the ES. When we were below here, Tesla was below the 89 level. Now that we've turned back around, everything's starting to look good. So then the rival against Tesla, okay, is that here's a bummer, right? This one's getting whacked. Okay, look at Microsoft getting absolutely clobbered, down 26 points or something like that. 26 points. Okay, in relation to shining stars like IBM, up huge. Okay. All right. Well, so tomorrow, what I'm watching is tomorrow, which will be Friday, January 31st of 2025. What I'm watching is, do we clear this level up here on the daily chart, or do we clear this level down here? Or do we draw on the liquidity on the sell side, or do we draw on the liquidity on the buy side? As for now, this high to high trend line is still support. All right, that's going to do it. We'll see everyone tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. live on YouTube. Thanks.